Today is a weather alert day because of the severe storms we were expecting later on today.
You know, we had that dense fog advisory in effect during our 6 o'clock broadcast, but
Yeah.
they canceled it at about 6:30. That's really been the only good thing I can say about the weather today. We thought it was going to be foggy, and it was, but not overly foggy.
Okay.
And now if you're out driving, oh, sure, there might be a little patchy fog, but our big concern is what's going to happen later on today. Right now, actually, we're seeing a touch of sunshine in a few locations, but a tornado watch is now in effect for the North Shore officially until 3 o'clock this afternoon. We're going to see thunderstorms developing as the day goes on. I still think the worst weather is going to be here tonight. WDSU first warning radar showing you those showers moving to the north-northeast at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Not just showers, but thunderstorms as well. Let's zoom in, use a little bit of our street level mapping. That's a pretty good thunderstorm that's making its way out of the North Shore right now. Bogalusa, you've seen off and on showers this morning. Looks like more rain for you in the next 10 minutes, some heavier rain. Here's a cell that's moving toward Poplarville. Another good look at that cell that's going to affect Bogalusa. Picayune and the rain a little bit lighter for you, but there's going to be more rain developing as the day goes on. This one going to affect you if you're driving the causeway. Showers close to the airport in Kenner are now making their way over to the lake. Here's a look at Slidell, which is going to get clipped by that shower probably in the next 5 minutes, with the heaviest rain staying to the west of you. And Plaquemines Parish, you had some rain earlier, actually a pretty good thunderstorm when we were on the air at 6 a.m. Now some more showers moving into your general area. This is going to be the case for us throughout the day today. More showers developing, thunderstorms that could be on the strong side. 68 degrees our current temperature with the dew point at 68. So humidity is 100%, but an east to southeasterly wind at about 9. One of the reasons why I think it wasn't overly foggy this morning. Here's the cold front to the west of us. It's going to be moving through late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Behind that front, it doesn't get a lot colder. It gets drier, and our temperatures are actually going to cool by about 5 to 6 degrees. But this is what we're most concerned about, what's going to happen this afternoon and this evening. We'll go hour by hour for you here in just a moment. Today, wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour possibility. Tornado watch for the North Shore until 3 o'clock, so obviously tornadoes are possible. Could have hail, 1.5 inches in diameter, and over 2 inches of rain going to be possible for us. Now, here's this computer model. It's changed a little bit in the last 4 or 5 hours or so, but it still gives us a general idea of what's going to be happening. Noon hour, some scattered showers, few isolated thunderstorms, becoming a bit more numerous here by about 3:30. By about 6:30, I think this is going to be the major line that's coming in late afternoon, early evening. And tonight is a good night to just stay in and watch WDSU. We're going to have meteorologists on staff all afternoon, all evening. We'll be tracking these thunderstorms for you. Here's 9 o'clock. Here's midnight. Some of these storms obviously containing some heavy rain, possibly some gusty winds. Some of them could be severe. By 3 o'clock, a lot of the weather moving out of our area. And actually by tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., even though we may have a little bit of patchy fog, looks like Sunday's going to be an improving weather day. By 9:30, skies clearing out a bit more. I think we've become mostly sunny by Sunday afternoon, which should be a very nice day for us. But before we get to Sunday, we have to deal with some rough weather. Tornado watch in effect for the North Shore until 3 o'clock this afternoon. Increasing thunderstorms, especially by the late afternoon and evening. Forecast for tonight, obviously, weather alert day, weather alert evening, numerous storms. Some of them may be severe, gusty winds, small hail possible. Actually, hail in excess of 1 inch is a possibility for us tonight. Patchy fog first thing in the morning, then we become mostly sunny. Sunday looks like a very nice day, especially by the late morning and afternoon. New Year's Eve cold front, but it's going to be a dry front. So I think our New Year's Eve forecast is going to be good, maybe a little on the cool side with temperatures falling through the 50s, midnight, 1, 2 a.m. Then we get cooler yet by Thursday and Friday with highs only in the 50s. We'll talk more about tonight's strong thunderstorms coming up a little bit later right here on WDSU.